Hello students, how are you all? Okay, I am your computer and GK teacher of LPM Public School, Gola, situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So today I am going to do the revision of chapter 2. So we have already studied this lesson chapter. So today we will do the revision of chapter 2, that is computer devices. In computer devices some topics are there. We will do the revision on that particular topic. First one is input devices, then processing devices, then output devices, and then storage devices. So first see here input device. In input device, here input devices are the devices or the parts of a computer through which data and instructions are entered into a computer. What is input device? Input device एक ऐसा device है, it is a part of device in which we what we do? We enter data and instructions. Whatever the data and instructions we are inserting in the it is with the help of input device. It is also known as computer peripherals. It is also known as computer peripherals. There are some commonly used input devices are, for example, such as here keyboard. Okay, keyboard is the most commonly used input device. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It has 104 standard keys. It has 104 standard keys. A typewriter has keys similar to that of a keyboard. Pressing these keys produce word directly on paper. See here in the typewriters are there. At previous time the typewriters are using, but not as the technology is developed, now we are using the computer. And computer, whatever the data and instructions we are feeding, it is with the help of our input device, that is what? Keyboard. And a keyboard has 104 standard keys. Next is mouse. Mouse is also a input device. Mouse is also input device. It is also known as pointing device. It is also known as pointing device. It controls the movement of the pointers on the monitor. In mouse we have two buttons. One is left and second is right, and a scroll wheel in the middle of them. See here there are two types of computer mouse. We have two types of computer mouse. First is ball mouse and second is optical mouse. First is ball mouse and second is optical mouse. Okay, ball mouse used a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer, and the optical mouse is used an LED light for the movement of the mouse pointer. Next is scanner. We are studying about the input devices. So scanner is also an input device. Scanner is also a input device, and what it does, it reads the text or pictures whatever we printed on a sheets and transferred it to the computer. Means whatever if we want to scan any text, picture or printed sheets, we can read it, a scanner can read it and transfer it into a computer. Okay, it is also, see here, the flatbed scanner is the most commonly used scanner. In scanner, there is a scanner whose name it named as flatbed scanner. At present time we see flatbed scanner is the most commonly used scanner. Next is microphone. Microphone is used to record and input voices. So it is also an input device because it is used to record and input voices, sounds and music into a computer. After input device, next we will come to the next topic, that is processing device. In computer we have only the CPU. Only we have a CPU as a processing device in a computer. CPU stands for, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is also known as the brain of a computer. It controls the input and the output devices attached to a computer. Okay. So CPU is the only processing device in a computer. CPU is made up of 3 parts. How many parts it is made up of? Yes, CPU is made up of 3 parts. First one is control unit, shortcut CU. Second is memory unit, shortcut MU. Third is arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU. See, control unit controls the functions of all the parts of a computer, and memory unit stores all the data and instructions temporarily or permanently, and ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, it does all the arithmetic calculations. It does all the arithmetic calculations, lines, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all this, whatever the greater number, smaller number, every related to math, whatever every calculation work should be done by the ALU. After that come to the output device. Output devices. See here, output devices are the parts of a computer or device that give the result after processing the input. Whatever the input a user gives enter into a computer, it processed by a CPU, and after processing it gives the result or feedback, it displays the result. It is known as the output. It is known as the output. So, some commonly used output devices are, for example, when a computer, when a user giving the data and information entering into a computer, CPU processed and give the results or display the result on the screen. That particular screen displayed by the computer is known as output device. Is known as output device. So monitor is a output device. Monitor is a output device. And you know how it look like? Monitor, yes, monitor is just look like a television. So it is also known as the visual display unit. That's why monitor is also known as the visual display unit. The short form is VDU. The short form is VDU. Whatever the output displayed by the monitor on the screen is known as a soft copy. It's called the soft copy. The two common types, we have two common types of monitor, that is CRT and LED. CRT and LED are the two types of monitor. See here, CRT, it is bigger in size and take more space. CRT is bigger in size and take more space. But if you compare with LED is thinner and take less place. Again, see here, CRT consumes more power and LED consumes less power. CRT is bulky and LED is light in weight. Means CRT का जो weight होता है वो ज़्यादा होता है. CRT is heavy but LED is very light in weight. Means वो हल्का होता है. Next, then come to the printer. Printer is a what? It is also an output device. After monitor, come to the printer. Printer is also a output device. See here, printer is also known as output device. It gives the output on a sheet paper. Whatever the information we enter into a computer by processing, the results are given by the output device. We take a print out of that particular outputs on a sheet paper with the help of printer, and this printed output we are getting on a paper is known as a hard copy. Next here we have the most commonly used printers are. There also are different varieties of printers. Commonly those printers are commonly used are named as dot matrix, laser and inkjet. These are the names of the printers which are commonly used. Next is speaker. Speakers are used to play music and other sound stored in a computer. Speaker is also an output device. It is used to play music and make different sounds which are already stored in a computer. Whatever the sounds is stored in a computer, we can be able to listen with the help of speakers. After that, see a next, that is headphone. What is that is? Headphone. Headphones or earphones are small speakers. Headphones and earphones are small speakers that we worn in or around your ear, जिसका यूज़ हम अपने कानों पे लगाते हैं. अगर हम कुछ भी जो भी सुनना चाहते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं, अगर हम हेडफोन या स्पीकर फोन से सुनते हैं तो केवल वो हमें ही सुनाई देता है, हमारे अलावा और किसी को डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होती है. सो डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स. वी आर यूजिंग हेडफोन्स और ईयरफोन्स, ओके, फॉर टू लिसन एनी साउंड्स फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर. आफ्टर दैट कम टू द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी. Okay, storage capacity. See here, a computer can store a large amount of data. A computer can store very large amount of data. So all the data and information is saved in its hard disk. Whatever the data and information stored, everything is saved in the where? Everything is saved in hard disk. Everything is saved in hard disk. Or even we want to save in with any other places, then we can use CD, DVD, pen drive. This is also used to store data permanently. In this we can store our data permanently. So these are called computer storage devices. That's why all these are called computer storage devices. See here, hard disk. Hard disk is a CD and DVD, then pen drive. All these are the computer storage devices in which we can save data and informations permanently. Pen drive, pen drive is also known as a flash drive. The another name of pen drive is flash drive. See here, CD, DVD and pen drives are also known as external storage capacity. It is also known as external storage capacity. After that, see here, there is a fill the blanks. The output displayed by the monitor is called the soft copy. Display music and other sounds stored in a computer. That is, yes, speaker. The hard disk is an inbuilt devices in a computer. Which device is hard disk? It is a storage devices. Next, see here. By this we have completed the revisional explanation of chapter 2. Now come just have a look on flashback. Once again, a computer is an electronic machine that takes input, processes it and provides output. Some common input devices are keyboard, scanner, mouse and microphones. These are the some input devices. A CPU comprises three components: CU, MU and ALU. So monitor, printer, speaker and headphones are some common output devices. Printer prints onto a sheet of paper and the output provided by a printer is called a hard copy. And hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drives are some external storage devices. See here, after that there is a book exercise. How many parts does a CPU have? 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 3 parts. Which of the following is not a type of monitor? CCT, CRT, LED. So CCT is not a type of monitor. Which of the following is a storage devices? Keyboard, monitor, pen drive. Yes, pen drive is a storage devices. In which form does the printer provides the output? Soft copy, hard copy, pen drive. Okay, in the form of hard copy, the printer provides the output. So answer is hard copy. Next, fill the blanks. Then question answer. So go through. Those who have not completed their books or copies can be complete by this. Okay then. Thanks for listening me, and be prepared for the preparation of the unit term 2. Bye.